afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English objective past question. Question number 84. And to this question, the instructions say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. And this instruction is to answer question from 71 to 100. And the sentence here say the witnesses were called, but before giving their evidence, they took dash using the Bible or Quran based on their religion. The witnesses were called, but before giving their evidence, they took dash using the Bible or Quran based on their religion. Option A covenant. Option B, a declaration. Option C, a promise. Option D, a vow. Option E, an oath. So it is a tradition in court of law whenever somebody wants to witness or give a testimony of what we call witness, that the person must take dash, and what the person takes is called oath. The person has to take an oath, not covenant. Covenant has to do with religious term, so we cannot use covenant in this context. Declaration means openness. Then promise is the same thing as covenant. Then vow is an agreement or promise to do something. So but what the person takes is an oath, that is swear. The person will have to swear, as normally say it in our usual way, but that is what we call oath. So it is an oath. So the witnesses were called, but before giving their evidence, they took an oath using the Bible or Quran based on their religion. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.